remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the signs have been switched off. We suggest that whenever seated you keep them fastened. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and smoking is not permitted at any time. Anyone travelling on a non-EU passport will need to complete a landing card to present with their passports at immigration. If you do require a landing card, just ask a member of crew when we pass through the cabin. During the flight today, we'll be giving you the opportunity to buy something to eat and drink from our bistro service. The products and their prices are listed in our retail brochure. You'll find this in your seat pocket. Also, you'll notice in our brochure we do have our boutique. We've got a range of fragrances for ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for that last minute Christmas gift, we do have a fine selection of fragrances, gifts and gadgets, and if you would like to purchase anything due to the short duration of this flight, we would appreciate it if you could ask us while we are out with the bistro service. We do have some fantastic new routes available from Manchester. We've started to fly to Gothenburg in Sweden and Hamburg. These are available to book online at easyjet.com. In the meantime this morning, sit back, relax and enjoy this flight to Manchester, and if we can be of any further assistance then please don't hesitate to contact one of us. The first service we are going to do on today's flight is our newspapers and magazines. If you would like to purchase a newspaper on board today, we've got the Times. We've also got Hello Magazine and Top Gear. If you would like to purchase one, then don't hesitate to stop the crew very shortly when they pass through the cabin.